The keeper said, stop, stop. And the elephant he's right there. The elephant's getting out first. The elephant gets out. Now somebody not holding it. The mouse, did the mouse hold it?
Hold what?
A banana. Now we're getting tired.
They're all getting tired?
Yeah.
Who else is coming? Tell me about this.
Huh? This one?
What's that?
I don't know.
The hyena. And?
The giraffe. The little one and the big, his sister and his daddy.
His daddy's coming too?